In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 300 DPI images using Canva for high-quality print and how to convert them to CMYK. This process is essential for ensuring that your designs look crisp and professional when printed. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva and log into your account. If you already have a design in mind, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, start creating your new design from scratch. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing all sorts of graphics, from business cards to social media posts, and the user interface is quite intuitive, making this a straightforward task. Once you've got your design ready, look toward the top right corner of your screen, where you'll notice a Share button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Download icon. This is the key to exporting your design in the correct format for printing. Now, when you click on Download, you'll need to choose the file type. For high-quality prints, it's often best to select JPG. With the file type selected, you'll want to focus on adjusting the size. To achieve the 300 DPI resolution, simply maximize the size setting. This adjustment ensures that your design maintains its quality when printed, preventing any unwanted blurriness or pixelation. After you've set everything up, go ahead and click the Download button. Your design will start downloading to your computer, and with this done, we're now halfway through the process. Next, open up Photoshop. You'll need to import your freshly downloaded design. You can do this by dragging the image directly onto the Photoshop page, or by going to the top menu bar, selecting File, and then Open from Computer. Once your design is in Photoshop, it's time to verify the resolution. Head to the top left menu, click on Image, and then navigate to Image Size. Here, you'll see that your image is set at 300 DPI, ready for high-quality printing. With the resolution confirmed, you can click Cancel to exit this dialog box. Next, go back to the Image menu and click on Mode. This option will allow us to convert the color mode from RGB to CMYK, which is crucial for print designs. Simply select CMYK to make this change. Finally, it's time to save your work. Move up to the top left corner once more, click on File, and then Save. Alternatively, a quick keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+S, will do the trick as well. And there you have it. Your image is now at 300 DPI and in the CMYK color mode, making it perfectly suitable for high-quality printing. Thank you for following along. Be sure to revisit these steps anytime you need to create print-ready images using Canva and Photoshop. Happy designing!